So categories let you extend a class by defining new methods, even if you don't have access to the class's source code or can't change it. Although a category has access to the instance variables of the original class, it can't add any of its own. A category can override another method in the class, but this is generally considered bad form. Unlike a normal interface section, you don't need to actually implement all the methods in a category if you don't want to. So setting up a category can be fairly simple. So step one, we would create essentially a new header file that specifies the string that we're overriding, and then in round brackets contains the name of the category that we're creating, in our case utilities. We would then list the function signatures of all the new methods that we're going to have in this category. In our case, we have one. Step two is we would create the corresponding .m file or implementation. So once again, in the implementation, we mention the class that we're adding the category to, and then also the name that we want to give this category once again, which matches what we said over here. We then flesh out the function or the method that we had specified over here. Finally, to make use of the new category, we make sure we import it. So import the header file for the category. We go and use that particular class that we're wanting to use. And you can see here I'm creating a new string or NS string called string1 and one called string2. I can now call isURL method, the category that we've added, on both strings.